everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Shilpa, and as you know, there's a series going on my YouTube channel, how to create a fake story to build our fluency. So it's been long time to create a fake story, so I thought I should make a video how to create a story. So in this video I'm going to take a half sentence, and using the sentence I will create the story which will be fake, totally fake story. So without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, I'm going to take half sentence. The half sentence is, one day I decided to go my grandparents' house. So let's create the story. One day I decided to go my grandparents' house because it had been a long time to go there, and I wanted to have some peace, tranquility. I wanted to enjoy some time with my grandparents. So suddenly I made up my mind and I packed my luggage and left for the my village. When my grandparents got to know that I have come there, they got surprised. They were quite happy, and seeing me, they hugged me, they loved me, they pampered me, they gave me a lot of pamper. That day I enjoyed a lot, and next day I was having a conversation along with my grandmother. She was telling me about a lady, and she took me to that lady house. She was quite kind old lady, and she was very soft heart lady. She loved gardening. Her backyard was colorful. There were so many flowers, all kind of flowers there. One day Lata planted some seeds in her garden, and she wanted it to be most beautiful garden in her village. Every day she watered, she cared of her plants profusely. Her garden bloomed profusely with her vibrant blossom. People passing by would stop and admire the profuse display of color. She was quite delighted the profusion of flowers. However, one stormy night, a heavy rain fell. Lata was caught confused. She was worried about her garden, but the next morning she was surprised to see her garden, see her flowers had bloomed even more profusely, as if the rain had given the new life of her garden. The news about the beautiful garden spread in the village profusely, and everyone came to see her astonishing garden. She was proud and shared her thoughts, her gardening tips profusely with all who visited there. And she was quite happy. Seeing the lady, I got surprised, and I have learned a lesson that without having anyone, without having any partner, you can enjoy your life. Without having any partner, you can enjoy your life. You can be ecstatic. You can do some thing that makes you happy. So seeing everything, I got surprised, and after some time I came back to my grandparents' house. I started narrating my story, that what I have seen there. I was started talking to my grandmother. She got quite happy. She got to know that I am very happy. She was quite happy seeing me happy. That day I enjoyed a lot. I have learned a lesson that without having anyone, you can be fantastic. You can be static anywhere or anytime. You don't need anyone. I started having conversation with my grandmother. She got happy seeing my grandmother. I got quite happy. I had enjoyed there a lot, and after some time I came back to my city and start doing usually I used to do. So guys, how did you like my story? If you liked it, please share your thoughts on comment. I enjoyed a lot to create the fake story, and creating the fake story you can build your fluency as well as you can expand your words. So I hope this was helpful for you, how you can also create your story, how you can make your own story, anything you can create the story so that you can build your fluency, your thinking power, or your making sentence. This will help you to grow up. How did you like this story? I hope you would definitely liked it. If you liked it, please subscribe my channel, like my video. Don't go without liking my video because it took so much time to make the videos. Okay, so please support my channel. Please support myself. Please motivate me by supporting my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.